Hey everyone, welcome back. Is FC Mobile refusing to install, update, or download new content because of a not enough storage error? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings, then tap General, then go to iPhone Storage and let this list fully load. This shows you exactly what apps are taking up the most space. FC Mobile itself needs several gigabytes free to just download its resource packs and stadium data, so tap on a few large apps you do not often use and select Offload app, which removes the app but it keeps the documents and data. Then also check your photos and messages since large photo libraries and old messages attachments are common hidden iPhone storage hogs. Once you feed up at least 3 to 4 gigabytes, go back to the app store, search for FC Mobile, and then try reinstalling it or updating FC Mobile again. If this error persists even with free space showing, restart your iPhone completely since a full restart resets how iOS calculates available storage and clears the stuck storage gauge. So all you've got to do is free up several gigabytes in iPhone storage, offload unused apps, and restart if needed. FC Mobile installs cleanly, and that's it. Subscribe.